We can film or not film. There's a car coming.
Es camioneta. Es vans, ¿verdad? No, ahora sí, bájale.
Down.
Bajamos la cámara. Baja la cámara.
BBC Sounds.
This is the heart of the Sonoran Desert in Arizona. There are no towns or villages here, just hundreds of miles of 70-degree heat and rattlesnakes. But this is a pathway to the American dream. And it's a dangerous one. So when this podcast series first got commissioned, I was thinking, who's what I really want to catch up with? And right at the top of the list was the Padre, so the Mexican father. On the surface, Altar looks like an ordinary town. But in reality, nothing happens here without the cartels say so. I needed someone to help me stay safe and was pinning my hopes on the local priest, known as the Padre.
Hola.
Siciliano?
Sí.
Stacey.
Hola.
Lovely to meet you.
Pues bienvenida.
I know it can be quite dangerous here, quite difficult, so I figured you would be an amazing man to have around, if that's okay.
En lo que pueda ayudarte.
I just found him full of compassion and, you know, he displayed real empathy, and I remember really being fond of him, and he was very funny, even though he lived in this really sort of chaotic, dangerous world. You know, it was his job to have some kinds of a working relationship with the cartels because he wanted to make sure that the migrants that were trying to get over into America weren't taken advantage of. Very different America now, you know, this was filmed in 2012. The Padre has a unique position here. He manages to help the migrants without antagonising the cartels. It was soon clear that everything in Altar revolved around the business of people smuggling. Have a listen, tell us what you think. You can find it on BBC Sound.